That's the air filter right there. That's the air filter. Depth cleaner. DF. This is basically a mainframe of a school bus. Engine is all the way back. A nice tire. Looks like that. Brake chambers right there. Hey, truck's gonna be sitting right there. All right, air tank. Interesting. And that's the front. It would be looks like that. Sooner or later, they're assembling it one by one. Last one I put there for you, like old frames. This is brand new frames. You can folks see better. And this gas tank right there in the middle. Look at that, a lot of air hose, air brake systems. Special and transmission over there. Battery right here. Look at that, lots of cooling system. And antifreeze goes there. They're halfway done. They got a lot more to go. Finish all there. That's the belt. Alright. This is basically a school bus. They are assembling and making a school bus around here. Many of them. Okay. Have a wonderful day, folks.